Hello viewers, hope you are well. In this video I'm going to show that how you can add a video metadata. So this metadata could be helpful to rank on your video, especially on YouTube. Also you can use this video on Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you can upload this video. This could be help to rank your video. So before I start, I want to say if you are watching my video first time, you can subscribe my channel. So okay, let's start. At first you have to go to your gallery, then you have to go your video related data which is you want to edit. Like this, I wanna edit this video metadata. Just from in this three dot, click on it and go details. From here you have to click on edit button. So okay, at first you have to change the video name according to a title, like an important keyword which is you wanna rank. Okay, so I'm going to change this video file name to a tag like free range chicken farming. Now I wanna change this name according to the a tag which is most important, I think. And you have to go scrolling down and you have to add tags. Okay, like this one done, and again chicken coop, like this, and again chicken feed, and again add deshi murgi phalon, and again free range chicken farming, and again organic chicken food. Like as many keywords you can use in this section, this keyword could be help to rank on YouTube according to the your choice. Okay, so you must be added these things before upload this video. So you must add it this information. You can also add location. I think it's not important for this situation in this ranking. Okay, so you have to just change the title of this video or video file name according to your targeted keyword, which is I already right here. Look at this, the file name free range chicken farming. Like this, you have to every video file name to your targeted keyword must be changed. Okay, so this will be helped to rank. Just then save on it. Okay, look this information of this video. This is very important for ranking. Okay, so nothing more today. Talk to you later with another video. So till then, bye bye.